Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Pink color, violet color, brown color, red color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and light green color. Kids, we will trace A, B, C numbers 1, 2, 3. Let's trace letter A. A for apple. This is letter A. Now kids, we are tracing letter B. B for ball. This is letter B. This is letter C. C for cat. Numbers 1, O-N-E 1. Now kids, we are tracing number 2. TWO2. Number 3. This is number 3. THREE3. Read again. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. 1 ONE1. 2 TWO2. 3 THREE3. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.